Welcome to a new series called What Camping Has Taught Me. For the next 16 weeks, I'm going to share lessons, things that camping taught me. I'm going to share some philosophy and some wisdom. I will be covering topics like letting go, one room at a time. Camping taught me that I don't need most of what I own. It taught me that the more I own, the less free time I have. It taught me that much of my life was actually stored in boxes, and I need to get into those boxes and figure out what I can actually let go. I will also deal with the emotional content or connection that we have to things. For example, sometimes I think that if I let something go, I might be letting go of something of myself, letting go of some of my personal history, letting go of who I am, or worse yet, letting go of a particular memory and event. But that's not true, and I'm going to share how you can do that, cut that emotional tie, and still have that sentimental memory and enjoyment and value in what you have experienced, what you have gained, what you have written into the history of your life. This YouTube channel, Two Seniors Camping, has been about camping, us two seniors camping. And people, when they watch the channel, they're looking for camping-related ideas or just to see how we do it as seniors. However, for the next few months, about 16 weeks, I will be decluttering, sorting, organizing, getting rid of things, giving things away, selling items, and figuring out what's really important to me. I'm doing this in part because I'm preparing to move into the country. The deal is not yet sealed. I've not gained the final okay from the owner of the country house, but I have hope and a plan and believe that the dream will become a reality. Sometimes we act on faith. We don't yet see the reality of what we hope for. But in the meantime, we can prepare. There's always something that we can do to take steps towards that dream, towards the fulfillment of it. So even if our dream doesn't become a reality, we always gain. In the short term, I'm gaining a more with less home. Decluttering, organizing, minimizing, learning to let go. Because that's a big thing right there, just learning to let go, learning to let the emotional content set free. This is what camping taught me, that I can live with less and still be very happy. So what has camping taught you?